In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import your customer list into Xero software. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to bring in a list of customers in one go, instead of adding them one by one, which can save you a lot of time and reduce errors. First, make sure you're logged into your Xero account and that you have your customer list ready, usually in a spreadsheet like Excel or a CSV file. It's a good idea to check that your file has clear column headings such as customer name, email address, billing address, and phone number, so it's easier to map into Xero later. Once you're on the Xero dashboard, look towards the top of the screen and click on Contacts. This is where Xero keeps all of your customers and suppliers. After you click Contacts, you'll see a few different options. Go ahead and click on Customers. This switches the view so that you're only working with your customer records, which is exactly what we need for this import. In the Customers area, look for the three dots icon, usually towards the upper right of the Customer List section. This is the More Options or Actions menu. Click on those three dots to open a small drop-down menu. From that menu, select Import. This tells Xero that you want to bring in customer information from a file rather than entering it manually. Xero will now take you to the Import page. Here, you'll be asked to upload your customer file and fill in the key details. Choose your file from your computer, and make sure it's in a format Xero accepts, typically CSV. Take a moment to review any notes on the page about required fields. For example, customer names are usually required, while some other fields might be optional. Ensuring your spreadsheet matches these expectations will help avoid import errors. After you've selected your file and filled in any required options, click on Next. Xero will then guide you through a few on-screen prompts. This usually includes mapping the columns in your file to the fields in Xero, like matching your customer name column to Xero's name field. Carefully review each mapping so that information goes into the right place. Follow the on-screen prompts all the way through, checking for any warnings or errors. When you confirm the import, Xero will process your file and create or update those customer records. Once it's done, scan your customer list to make sure everything looks correct, and you're all set.